Want to turn your long videos into highly engaging shorts in just a few clicks? Today, we are looking at FlexClip, an AI-powered online video editor designed to help you create content faster without a steep learning curve. If you've been struggling to chop up your long podcasts, tutorials, or vlogs for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, FlexClip might be the shortcut you need. To get started, you just head over to FlexClip.com. The best part is you can try it out for free today to see if it fits your workflow. Once you're in, you'll see that FlexClip is packed with over 6,000 customizable templates. This is a massive time saver. Instead of starting from scratch, you can choose a vertical template that matches your niche, whether that's business, marketing, sports, or lifestyle. From there, you can leverage their smart AI tools, like the AI Recreate feature, to quickly adapt your existing footage into short-form masterpieces. The platform also gives you access to rich media resources and easy-to-use editing tools, so you can add captions, transitions, and music without needing professional editing skills. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, FlexClip is incredibly user-friendly, runs entirely in your browser, and offers a massive library of assets and templates to speed up your work. It's also great for teamwork, since it supports seamless collaboration and sharing. As for the cons, because we have limited external user review data available today, we can't tell you how it holds up under heavy, complex editing workloads compared to traditional desktop software. Some users might find online rendering speeds vary depending on their internet connection. Our final thoughts? FlexClip is a highly accessible, feature-rich tool that is absolutely worth testing if you want to speed up your short-form video production. Because it's free to try, we highly recommend heading over to FlexClip.com, uploading a long video, and letting their AI tools do the heavy lifting for you. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you like using FlexClip.